Ritik, and this is my order execution engine. A fun little sandbox that pretends to trade on Raydium and Meteora, so I can test execution strategies without burning real money. Here's how it works in under 20 seconds. I place an order from the front end, Fast API catches it, sends it into Redis, a worker simulates the swap, logs it into SQLite, and I watch everything update live on my screen through WebSockets. So the quick tour of the files, the app.py, this is the main entry point that serves my UI and exposes the order API. One would be the post request to execute the order, and the other would be the get API to have the information about the order through the order ID. We have the models.py, defines what's a clean valid order looks like. We have db.py that would spin up my little SQLite database. Then we have the WebSocket manager that handles the live update back to the browser. We have workers.py, this is where the mock swap magic happens. Then the utils.py, which is like a helper brain that slippage calculations, price impact, and all the macro stuff kind of thing. Then we have index.html, a simple UI where I click buttons and launch swaps. Right now the engine only supports market orders because I care about speed, but with one condition check I can turn it into a limit order or even sniper style execution. So let's start with the execution. Opening the terminal, and I have a script written already that would trigger the 10 orders exactly at once, so we can check the concurrency here. Python. So yeah, you can see that the 10 orders get connected at once. Then we have the routing together. Then all the orders are getting into the build, and then they got submitted, and we got the status as confirmed at the end for all the orders. For checking the get API, let's take one of the order and go through other fast API docs. Here we have the 98C7 that we would have copied here, 986C7. Execute. So here we get the ID, the token in, token out, the amount, order type was the market, status confirmed, the transaction hash, the execution price, and the timestamp that would be there. So this was the get. Now if you want to see a single order, let's say 1000, submit. So here through the WebSocket we can see the live update of the order, connected, routing, building, submitted, and then it's confirmed. Here you can see the Raydium price was a bit higher, so we are choosing Meteora for the best possible way. And yeah, that was it. Let's see the database ones. SQLite, then the tables, we have the order logs and orders. Let's check few from orders only, so the 10 rows. So here we can see the orders, the transaction, the ID, the timestamp. Yeah, that was it. Thank you.